Hey guys, today I have with me the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. The smartphone offers a 6.67-inch Super AMOLED display having a pixel density of 395 ppi and a refresh rate of 120Hz. Redmi Note 10 Pro Max has a bezel-less punch-hole display with Corning Gorilla Glass V5 protection. On the right spine, you will find the volume rocker and the power button. The power button also works as fingerprint sensor. On the other side, the phone has a SIM tray. On top, there is a secondary microphone, IR blaster and a 3.5mm jack. The bottom of the phone features a USB Type-C port and a speaker grill. Redmi Note 10 Pro Max comes with a quad camera setup with Redmi branding at the bottom. So that's all as far as the design is concerned. Now let's get into the details about the internals. Redmi Note 10 Pro Max comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G chipset with 8nm fabrication. For multitasking, you will get 6GB of RAM and the internal capacity of the smartphone is 64GB, which can be further expanded up to 512GB. Redmi Note 10 Pro Max offers a 5020 mAh battery powered by a 33W fast charging facility. Coming to the camera aspects, the phone features a 108MP quad camera setup and includes a 108MP primary camera supported by an 8MP ultra-wide angle camera, a 5MP macro camera and a 2MP depth camera. Also, the phone offers a 16MP front camera. The software version of the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max is Android 11 with MIUI. So guys, that's it for Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. Thank you so much for watching this video.